Hello class, welcome to this lesson. Our strand today is garden practices. Our substrand container garden. If you check under our substrand, we have told one, sow seeds in a container garden, and two, care for container gardens. Before you care for container gardens, you have to sow the seeds. Now let's come to our first key inquiry question. How are seeds planted in a container garden? How are seeds planted in a container garden? That's the question. 1. Make a small hole or small drill or channel. Place your seeds, one seed per hole. Cover with a small lump of soil or cotton wool or sawdust. Now that's the first part, how you are going to plant your seed, also your seed in a container garden. After planting or sowing your seed or seeds, you have to take care of them. That brings us to the second key inquiry question. Our second key inquiry question: how can we care for container gardens? Which means you have already planted, you have made hole, you have planted the seed, you have covered it with a small lump of soil or cotton wool or sawdust. Now, how do you take care of it? Because without care, this plant can't germinate, the plant can't grow, and in any case the plant grow or germinate, you won't get good or product. Now, how can we care for container gardens? 1. Water your container garden daily, that is every morning and evening. Weeding. Weeding is done through uprooting. Don't dig, don't use chemicals, we uproot. And at what time are you supposed to do uprooting? After watering. After watering, that time the soil is soft and the weeds can come out easily. Then remove excess seedlings. By the time we were planting, we planted maybe more than 1 or 2 seeds, and now they have germinated. Remember, the space is small and we are going to be left either with 1 crop or 2 crops inside 1 container garden. So we remove excess seedlings. What do we do again? Removing sick plants. The time you are removing excess seedlings, don't just remove blindly. What are you supposed to do? You pick the weak ones or the ones which look like sick, the ones which are not strong. Those are the ones you're supposed to remove. Number 2, supporting your crops with stakes. There are those ones which are left there. You may find out like tomato, they tend to fall. What do? You support them using the stick and ropes. Application of manure and fertilizers. The best is manure because this is natural. Fertilizers, these ones are bought. So natural is manure, these ones you can apply. And before you apply, please go to your Google search engine. Can you try to find out the type of crop you have planted, which kind of manure, which kind of fertilizer is best for it, and at what stage. Don't just apply blindly, because fertilizers have what we call scorching effect or burning effect. They may burn and kill. Even excess manure may also kill the plants. Then we have here, you take home, take care of your crop till harvesting stage. All these care activities we have listed down here, from watering to weeding to removing excess seeds, supporting them, application of manure, these are things which are supposed to be done until the crop is harvested. Lastly, how are crops in container garden harvested? This is a question which you're supposed to ask yourself and answer, as by the time your crop shall have matured, you will know how it is supposed to be harvested and where you are supposed to take the harvests. What are you supposed to do with it? And make sure whatever you do here, the cost is minimum. Though you are not supposed to use a lot of, for example, money to buy items in the name of you are making garden practices. These all things which we are using here are locally available, which means you need to use almost 0 Kenya shillings or money in making all this. Have a good day.